What's up, auto enthusiasts? Today we're checking out this absolute stunner, the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra in a head-turning kinetic orange that just pops off the screen. This little beast stays true to its boxy retro-inspired design that we all love, but Suzuki's added some fresh touches for 2025. The iconic round headlights now feature enhanced LED technology, while that signature 5-slot grille gets a modern black finish that contrasts beautifully with the orange paint. Those squared-off wheel arches aren't just for show, they house newly designed 16-inch black alloy wheels wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires. The Sierra trim adds those sweet black fender flares and side steps, perfect for when you're ready to hit the trails. With 210mm of ground clearance and those short overhangs, this Jimny is built to tackle serious off-road challenges. The approach angle of 37 degrees and departure angle of 49 degrees mean this little warrior can climb over obstacles that would stop bigger SUVs in their tracks. Now, let's hop inside this orange beauty. The 2025 model brings some serious upgrades to the cabin. The dashboard keeps that utilitarian charm but now features a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Those classic round gauges remain, but they're now complemented by a crisp digital display. The Sierra trim gets you these awesome water-resistant seats with orange contrast stitching, perfectly matching the exterior. The grab handle on the passenger side isn't just for show, it's there to help when the trail gets rough. Fold down the rear seats, and you've got 830 liters of cargo space. Not bad for such a compact warrior. The rubber-lined trunk floor is perfect for throwing in your muddy gear after an off-road adventure. Behind the wheel, you'll find a new leather-wrapped steering wheel with improved controls. The driving position is commanding, giving you excellent visibility of all four corners, crucial for precise off-road maneuvers. Under the hood, Suzuki's kept things honest with their refined 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, now with mild hybrid assistance. It puts out 105 horsepower and 138 newton-meters of torque, plenty for this lightweight adventurer. The real magic happens with the Allgrip Pro 4 WD system. A proper low-range transfer case and manual selection between 2H, 4H, and 4L means this little Jimny can hang with the big boys when the going gets tough. On the road, the 2025 model brings improved refinement with better sound insulation and updated suspension tuning. But don't worry, it hasn't gone soft. This is still the authentic off-roader we know and love. Suzuki's added more safety tech for 2025, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and hill descent control, making this Jimny safer than ever while maintaining its rugged character. The 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra in kinetic orange isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It proves that you don't need a massive SUV to have serious off-road capability and tons of character. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell to stay updated on the latest automotive content. Drop a comment below telling me what you think about this orange beast.